Alright everybody, this is a short update on the Morgan County EF2 that was near Sunbright, Tennessee. I just wanted to cover it because, like previously we've done before, we've covered the Hawaii supercell outbreak in 2025, and so we're going to do it for this one as well, and I hope to cover more of these updates in the future as well. Right, so this is what we had. So we had this large, with this reflectivity, we have this red, we have this orange, and this yellow. This is the supercellular structure, and this is the supercell itself, and then the Hooke echo is here. So this supercell produced a large, pretty damaging and the first fatality-based tornado in the season, 2 fatalities, and this Hooke echo right here had persisted for a very long time, and the supercell itself had persisted for over 200 miles, which is considered a long-tracked supercell. So with that, this is the velocity signature that we saw with this supercell. So there's a very high velocity signature. So we saw continuous with this purple pixel. We saw continuous over 145 miles per hour of upper mesocyclonic rotation, which is going to be which we count anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere, and we saw that persist for a very long period of time, suggesting that we had potentially a terrain enhanced supercell, because to maintain such a long time of a single mesocyclone without cyclic circulogenesis of a single mesocyclone forming and then departuring and then forming a new one. We did not see that. We saw a single one persist for a very long period of time, so this is evident, but with this couplet that persisted for a very long amount of time. This is the reflectivity. So the reflectivity is now showing the precipitation, and this it correlates between 1 and 0. The blue of the pixels, the less correlation you got between the same sort of thing. So if you see this down here, this is all similar size. So this is near correlation 1, where you've got very similar size of raindrops and precipitation, whilst over here you've got high reflectivity of 60 dBz. So this shows where the tornado was actually located in quite a large debris signature as well, suggesting it grew to quite a large size. The environment was very favorable. We saw holographs extending within 200 to 300 meters squared per second squared. We've got this curvature and between the first kilometer and the second kilometer, and then we've got this sort of ventilation out ahead, which prevents the visibility. And then we saw kind of a good westward visibility, where you could see the tornado from the southwestern side. And so with the curvature of this and a large inflow, we can clearly see that this can be a large supercell. Alright, favorable low-level jet we saw as well in this pattern as well, over 40 knots, and there's the clear jet maxes that appeared in that belt of